Morning. We are back with a report of the US markets, Bitcoin, oil, US dollar, and gold. So, good start for the markets. The markets jumped at the open yesterday after the news from the US Trade Representative Jameson Greer saying that the framework for the US China trade deal has been formalized and that Donald Trump and Xi Jinping are going to have a very fruitful meeting. The markets obviously jumped at that and are celebrating that and are at all-time highs right at the open. There was a jump of about 0.2 to 0.5% on all three indices, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, as well as the Nasdaq. We told you that the markets are going to rally from now on, and that is exactly what the markets are doing. The markets are rallying right at the open. They're all at their all-time highs, and with the markets, Bitcoin is also rallying, which is something again we said would happen. Bitcoin's also gone up. Gold prices are coming down again. We had said that this would happen, and that is exactly what's happening. Gold prices are coming down. Gold being a safe haven asset and all that, and the cash flows are now moving out of gold and into the markets as the markets are looking to rally. The US dollar is also gaining ground as there is talk of the US government shutdown coming to an end. Oil prices are holding steady, not climbing much, moving more sideways or slightly downwards, if anything, simply because there was an initial peak when there were sanctions were imposed on Russian oil companies, but since then oil prices have been moving mostly sideways. So on the whole, good week for the markets. Markets are looking to rise further. There is the Federal Reserve meeting tomorrow, which will culminate with a rate cut the day after tomorrow. Trump Xi Jinping meeting looks set to be a productive one. Big week for the earnings. All the big seven, all the five of the big seven are going to be reporting this week, and we expect those earnings to top the market estimates. So the markets are set to rally, and with that, Bitcoin is set to rally. Oil and gold will probably come down. The US dollar will also rally. That is my prediction for this week.